But yeah, so yep, that is that. So we're going to run it. Well, that isn't loud, but I would imagine it probably sounds a lot better than it did because Marco said that he replaced the fan in this machine. Because apparently someone was using it and they busted the fan, sucking up something like a nail or something, and just completely destroyed the fan. How this thing survived that ordeal with hardly a scratch, I will never know. But that's the Bissell PowerClean. So it's kind of funny how I got this. I know Hank's Garage just got one of these, and his was a slightly different. It was like a power. Was it PowerClean or was it just platinum? It was something platinum, and it was very similar. Was it because it wasn't Pure Air? These machines are also known as the Bissell Pure Air and Pure Air Deluxe, and apparently the Bissell Platinum. These went under 1,000 different names, despite them not being on the market for all that long, and also being subject to a recall, I believe, regarding that little plug right there in the base. So with that in mind, there's definitely not many of these left. But this thing, even though it's very loud, it's very much like an old Elite, or even the 9-amp Bissell that, I've done a video on before, where it's very, very loud, and it's very, uneasy to listen to. But it cleans very well. It doesn't have the best suction, but it's a direct air. It has a lot of airflow. There's a lot of good lift from the carpet. You can see the carpet grooming lines are just gorgeous. Filtration is non-existent. Well, it's definitely, I would say this filtration is probably better than Elite. This is back when Bissell was actually known for having good filtration. Similar story with Eureka. But, yeah, so one thing that's interesting is that I don't know if this is a defect or if this is by design, but the suction is always coming through the hose. And I thought the idea was that this is supposed to like have a changeover valve that turns the hose on when it's upright, but no, it's always sucking through the hose, which does kind of make me wonder, like, is this not picking up? Obviously, it's going to be hard to judge that with a bag that's half full, but maybe if I put that new bag back in, or put an actual new bag in, I can see if it's actually picking anything up. But, and I did just vacuum this carpet with the Fury, so another 90s vacuum. But, yeah, so definitely an interesting addition to the collection, and one that I don't plan on parting with anytime soon. But we can see right there's finally that sticker that you were probably wanting to see. So, Bissell, Grand Rapids, Michigan. This is made in the USA. The other thing that's very nice, like a lot of machines of this era, like the Elites, the Eurekas, a lot of that stuff, these are made in the USA, made in Michigan, as opposed to like Eureka that were made in Illinois, and, Phantoms that were made, most of those were made in Canada. But, right at the crack between Canada and the US. I believe Niagara Falls is in both New York and in Canada, right? I'm pretty sure. Either way, so I could easily look that up, but I don't really care. So, yep. So there is Bissell. I'm assuming that's the serial number. So I gotta look at this and see where the serial number is. I'm assuming that's got to be... So, if this is the correct serial number, and if this actually is a serial number, going based off of Bissell's track record as far as being able to serial date these, then this was made on the 327th day of 1998. So basically like Thanksgiving of 1998. Or no, not even that. But like fall, September, October, somewhere in that range of 1998. And if that's the case, then this machine is 23 years old. And I gotta say, 23 years, can't get mad at that. It's a pretty solid run, especially because now it's in my possession, so I'll be treating it very nicely, and it's gonna stay in a good home where it has plenty of friends to congregate with and conversate with about various experiences. Anyways, so not much else to say about that. That is the acquisition video of the Bissell PowerClean. You can see model 3540-1. So, interesting machine. Very, very interesting. I'm assuming that this says 1998. But yep. So, yeah, that's the machine. It works well. And it's in just amazing condition, given it has this glossy black finish, and it's in surprisingly good shape. Rubber bumper is in mint condition. There's not a lot to complain about as far as the condition of this machine. And we can also see the advanced features, which I promised to show. Exceptional cleaning performance, outperforms ordinary vacuums. 12 amps of powerful cleaning, a 9-foot self-retracting cleaning hose, 4 quick reach cleaning attachments, easy bag change, microfiltration vacuum bag, 25-foot cord with quick release wrap, and a full 1-year warranty. So yeah. Anyways, this is Intelitech Studios with the unboxing, assembly tutorial, and acquisition of the Bissell PowerClean model 3540-1, if I remember correctly. Let's see, did I say that correctly? Yep, 3540-1. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed looking at the machine. And so as far as parts I need to find for it, not much to complain about. I need to figure out what style of bags this is actually supposed to take. And presumably it's a style of bags you can't get anymore, so I'm going to assume that a Hoover A bag would probably fit in this better, given it's an elite style machine. And they do make Hoover A HEPA bags, so I'm assuming that's one I'm probably is going to be a safe bet to go with. But I could be wrong about that. Again, I'm just going off the top of my head. I obviously do have plenty of bags, so I could try some other styles and see what works. Who knows? Maybe I'll even make a video about it. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll do a video on trying to find a bag that fits this thing, like actually on camera and trying a bunch of bags. So yeah, Intelitech Studios signing out with my video on the Bissell PowerClean 3540-1. This is a very long-winded video, but hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoy these longer form videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be the other unboxing. And again, if you have any requests as far as what vacuums to review, definitely drop those in the comments. And also consider backing the channel on Patreon, link in the description. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And if you guys have one of these machines, let me know what your experience is like. And again, it's like, this doesn't even reach the base. I don't know how this got tangled up, but whatever. This is Intelitech Studios signing out. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope y'all have a good one. Peace.